the first ever clock that I have sold. It is actually a kit that came out in 1964, but it has a newer Kenninger movement in it, and that movement goes from here to here. It is huge, but my neighbor wanted a clock, so I'm selling this clock to him for a special purpose. But anyway, I got it taken away. The moon dial was messed up on it. The chimes was messed up on it. But anyway, it's taken away. I hope you all enjoy this video. God bless. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel.